Hello, today we're going to talk about how to link up images into your ePortfolio. In particular, I'm talking about SketchUp images like your blimp here, for example. What you will need to do is make this into an image. You cannot link up a SketchUp project. It won't get marked. It's not part of the moderator's toolkit. It won't gain any marks. They will not open it. Even if they do have a version of SketchUp that we use, which is unlikely, they will not open it. It's not part of the toolkit. For information about the moderator's toolkit, look back on previous videos where I talk about that. So what you'll need to do then is make this into an image, and then you'll need to link that to your ePortfolio. Now, if we look at this blimp here, there's a few issues with it. This text is cut off there. I wouldn't be particularly happy about that, but it does show part of the development of the project, so I'm going to leave that in for the moment. What I do want to do, though, is maybe get rid of these design lines here. Now, when I do the blimp, I also need to have the blimp in situ, but I'm not going to deal with that in this video. I'm just going to show you how to screenshot this image and get it into your ePortfolio. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of the guides there. I want to get rid of the section cuts there and get rid of the hidden geometry and get rid of the axes there. So it just looks, all I've got there is my blimp on the background. I'd recommend that you keep that in for one of the images, but for this one, I'm showing you how to take that out. Now I'm going to use something called the snipping tool. I'm doing a search now for the snipping tool. If you haven't seen it before, it's a really good tool for doing a screenshot. Select it, okay, and I go to new. And now I'm going to select the part of the image that I want. I want that. And then you need to save it on the O drive. Okay. So I've done that now. I'm not going to save mine. I'm just going to close SketchUp. So what I want to do now is I want to link this image to that image. And I've got a screenshot of it there, a small one. And I want that to link up to my larger image. Okay, so I'm going to choose a hotspot tool. I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to click OK there. I can put some alt text in there first, so I'm going to call it blimp finished. Now I'm going to choose the image to link to, and I need to navigate to my O drive folder. You'd navigate to your O drive folder. All my work is saved on the Q drive for my ePortfolio. So go to create an ePortfolio, and then I go to my images folder, and I'm just going to find the image that I want there. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to, if you look, see where I'm clicking here, I would recommend that you open it in a new window. So I click OK there. I choose new. Now I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to preview it when it lets me. OK. So now when I click on that, and you see it opens it up in a new, that's a new tab there. It's opening it up in a new tab. I would recommend you do that because it avoids the moderator having to click back and go back, just a bit awkward. I think it just looks better for images. You open them in a new tab like that, okay? And then when the moderator's finished looking at it, they can just simply close that. They're done with it, okay? So that is how you add your blimp to your ePortfolio.